Power Girl. She gets up every morning and she puts on her cape. She fixes her breeches with resoluteness and tape. She drowns her weakness in coffee and her doubts in perfume. She will pull them back up after you left the room. She covers dark circles and swallows dark thoughts. She breathes in tears and kicks them off while she walks. She opens a window and flies into the dawn. You barely notice she's there, but you'll know when she's gone. Little Mermaid. Hear me calling while I'm drowning. Clear blue sky, pitch black sea. Watch me waving in the darkness. Pull me up and set me free. Muted passion, voiceless longing, on the surface shiny foam. Don't be startled by my pureness. See my scrapes and take me home. Feel my fingers through the surges. I've been waiting ever since. Flawless body, soulless seashell, lonely mermaid, stone-eyed prince. My prison. I built myself a prison. It's pretty from outside. The gate is made of marble, and the bars are made of pride. Crystal on the ceiling, soft carpets on the floor. Most of the time, I don't feel like a prisoner at all. Beyond the stained glass windows, the world outside looks pale, but peeking through the cracks, it's fresh air I inhale. I thought I would be safe here, but now I feel the breeze. I built myself a prison, and now I try to find the keys. Dreaming. Reality's a messy place. The world's screwed up. There's no escape. When I'm frustrated with real life, I dive deep down and try to hide. My mind's an island in the storm. a place to hide since I was born. So I shoot up with fantasies, tripping on thoughts and high on dreams. Awake. Awoken from a dreamless sleep, she shivers and she takes a deep breath of air, and reality seems nothing like it used to be. She stumbles slightly while she takes a little step towards the days that lie ahead of her once more, but even brighter than before. She thinks about the time she lost asleep and clueless, and it cost her more than she could ever pay, a wasteful debt that marks her way. She looks back at the ruffled sheets, her lightness buried underneath. Then she turns to face the lane, as now she dares to dream again.